Hello Saxo friends, Kadrian here, the Sax Habit Coach, bringing you the best practice tips, tools and ideas to help you as a beginner saxophone player develop the practice habits and routines to master your saxophone faster. Now my purpose is to serve, motivate and to inspire you. So if it's your first time here, consider subscribing and remember, hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to play your D major triad. Now in previous videos, I've showed you how to play C major triad, your C sharp major triad as well. Now, why do you want to learn your triads? Because if you have plans of studying jazz, of becoming good at improvisation, then learning your chords is very necessary. And having learned to play your triads through the keys, meaning the 12 keys, it is going to be easier for you to learn your major, your dominant, and minor chords. So today we're talking about the D major triad, and the D major triad has 3 notes. The 3 notes in the D major triad are D, which is 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So you're holding down your D, and then you're going to go to your F sharp. Okay, so that's your F sharp there with this middle finger on the right and these 3 up top. And then you're going to go to your A. So you're only holding down 2 keys. So your D, your F sharp, and your A. And then we're going to go to the first inversion, which is going to start on your F sharp. You go to your A and then you go to your D, but this time you are going to use your octave key. Then we're going to go to the second inversion, starting on the A, and then you go to D with the octave key, and then you go up to your F sharp, and that's the second inversion. And we are going to play that over the entire range of the horn. Root position, first inversion, second inversion, then the entire range of the horn. Once you've learned how to play the D major triad in the root position, the first and second inversions, and over the entire range of the horn, then you can practice a more advanced way of playing the triads, and that's playing all of the triads once through all the keys. So C major, C sharp, D, E flat, and so on. Continue to practice these triads, and in future videos I will show you how to play your major chords, because those will be very important to learn. Learning these triads is going to set you up so that when you begin to learn the chords, it's going to be way easier to learn the major, the dominant, and the minor chords on your saxophone. As always, guys, keep practicing and push play until something happens. Peace.